Hello everyone, going to do an unboxing and review about this truck from IXO. It's in a 1/64 scale and it is a Peter Bild 281/9055. And I even believe it's from a movie, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's check the package if we can find some information. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. We can see IXO is active on social media. I now know that they're also active on Instagram, email. Well, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's open it up. Do I have more trucks from IXO? Ah, I damaged the package. You bloody. Hello. How do I get this model out? Okay. Like this. And some pressure. There we go. Whoa! So okay. Oh, there is some tape. As you can see, it comes in a nice display case. IXO recently started in the US with some 1/64 models. Let's see. This is not working. Let's see if we can do it like this. There we go. Et voila. Here we are. A beautiful detailed model. Let's take it off the base immediately so we can feel what is plastic and what's not. There we go. No, you're not going to tell me that my screwdriver is too small. Do I have another one? No. Ah. Wait a minute. Maybe I can do it like this. Nope. No. I need something else. I have to go downstairs. Back in a sec. Okay, I'm back with my Leatherman. I'm so happy with this Leatherman. It helped me many times. Okay, let's see. There's one. Okay, now I'm going to put my finger right here so that he won't fall off. There we go. Oh! What the heck? Pew! I think that went... No, everything is okay. So far, so good. Whoa. And I even said I put my finger over there so it won't fall off. Yeah, right. Okay, but let's have a look at this beauty right here. Phew. This truck has a lot of license plates. I like that. Thank you very much for that. It feels heavy. I believe this is made out of diecast. We got windscreen wipers. Let's go to this. Yep, we're going to do it like this. And then we're going to do it like this. Yep, this is what I want. Detail mode. Windscreen wipers. Good rolling rubber tires with good profile, no opening parts. I believe it has to look a little bit rusty. Peter Bild here on the side. Nice side mirrors. Windows all around. We got the fuel tank. We got a step right here. This also feels like metal. This is plastic right here. Double wheels here in the back. I like that. You can move this. The exhaust made out of plastic. Yeah, be careful with the side mirrors, although they feel very strong, I have to say. We got the back. No license plate at the back, but I think that's normal in the United States. Well, I think the trailer has a license plate. Yeah, metal base. This is all metal right here, all the way to the back. Yeah, I really like this truck. Oop. Be careful with the bumper. Bumper is made out of plastic. And be also careful with the horn on top. Super cool truck. Do I have another one? Yes, I do. I got the one from a Knight Rider. Let's go right here. This is the one from Knight Rider. It doesn't say anything on the box that it is from Knight Rider, but this is definitely a Knight Rider replica. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, also IXO did a review about it. You can look it up. Comes also with a license plate. And here we got also a license plate in the back. The only thing that was missing was the, we say in the Netherlands, we say schotel. See, you can't put a trailer behind it, unfortunately. But this one is not available anymore. Yeah, maybe on eBay, but not where I buy it. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this truck. And let me know what you think about EXO. If you think it's a good brand and if you want to see more 164 models. I definitely want to see a trailer for every truck they make. Or maybe they can do a line with truck and trailer. That would be cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.